to schedule it. This thing is stupid. Oh my gosh. Oh well. What's up, y'all? We have some things to discuss. I got some good news and I got some bad news. What's up, man? I gotta go get me something to eat, man. I'm hungry. We is hungry. Ain't nobody joined yet, but we'll wait till people get in here. Oh, man. The market moved crazy today. We made some moves and we missed some moves. Oh boy. We gotta go get something to eat, man. I'm kind of hungry. It's lunchtime, man. So I don't know. It's lunchtime, and I'm sure all these lines finna be full. I'm trying to think what we're gonna eat, man. I don't know. Yeah, I do know. I'm finna go across. I'm finna go I'm finna go off post and go across the street. I said I've been wanting a sub sandwich. We are on our way to get something to eat, man. What a wild day of trading, guys. Been a wild day, man. As y'all covered it, I got some good news as I got some bad news. I wanted to push both accounts today, my tradeday funded account, and I also wanted to push my funded futures eval. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, you guys, if you're brand new, and click that notification bell for videos and bangers your boy got coming out. I would greatly appreciate it. We're gonna talk about trading today, man. Oh man, what a wild day of trading today, y'all. How y'all day been today? Y'all talk to me. How y'all been, man? Y'all good? Everybody straight? Hopefully y'all feeling good, feeling blessed today. Even in a time of sorrow, even though you're going through some things, you done had a bad day, there's always something good that can come out of this, man. That's for anybody who's watching, man. Anybody, if you're going through anything, you're having a rough time, it seems like every time you take 2 steps forward, you take 2 steps backwards. I just want to encourage somebody and let you guys know that there is something good out of a bad day, man. So specifically for me, there's something that can come good out of this, man. My job is to empower people and to put a smile on their face, man. That is one of my gifts. One of my gifts is to build you up, man. I had a good day and a bad day of trading today, man. But I followed every rule. I followed my scaling plan. I just put a lot more risk on it today. And one account survived and one didn't, man. So, yeah. That's where we at, man. Oh, boy. Man. It's all good, though, man. It's all good in the hood, man. Y'all talk to me. How y'all doing? What's up with y'all, man? Y'all good? Y'all straight? Y'all talk to me. Ain't nobody chatting. What's up? What's up, y'all? Talk to your boy. How your day been? What you up to? What you got going on? I'm on my way to Subway to get me something to eat right now. I tried to schedule this stream, but then when I tried to schedule it, the thing just, I don't know. This stream just did every dumb thing that it wanted to do. It just do things on its own. I don't know why I do that. What's up? There we go. Here they come. T Beezy in the building. What's going on? T Beezy for Sheezy. My Neezy. I Trades in the building. What's up? Man, that scared me. What's up, man? What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I'm getting me something to eat right quick.
Thank you for choosing Subway.
We got some things to discuss today, man. It's been a wild day of trading, man. I followed every plan. I followed every move. I went to the higher time frames. I set all my points, y'all. I set all my levels. You know that the market in NASDAQ just tanked today. So I had all my points set to where the market could bounce. And so one account survived and one didn't. I got a funded trade day. I got a fund. You guys guess which one. You guys guess which one that I ended up blowing. So I have a trade day funded account, 50K account, and I have a my funded futures 50K eval. One is funded, one is eval. Guess which one I ended up blowing today? And one ended up making crazy profit today. You guys guess which one? So I've been at this stage where I've been seesawing up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm getting my food right quick. Y'all hold up. Yeah, sure. Sajim. I think that's Sajim. Hi, how you doing? Good to see you. I appreciate it if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I would greatly appreciate it. I ain't never seen that name before. I Trade said the eval. Okay, that's one vote. One of my accounts is gone, y'all. Guess which one is gone? I followed every scaling plan. I followed my trading plan, everything. So the market tanked today. When the market tanks like this, I look for levels on the higher time frame where it could possibly bounce. So when the market is coming down, I'm looking for a quick bounce, and then keep going down. I'm just looking for those quick hiccup bounces. So I'm looking for those really, really quick bounces, man. I'm getting my profit and get out of there. One survived and one didn't. Take a guess which one did not survive. I Trade so far said the eval. I did some good trading, man. When the market moves like this, I like to put all my levels at my supply and demand levels, support and resistance levels. So I follow my trading plan. I'll up my scaling plan a little bit, but one account did not survive. Anybody else want to take a shot? Anybody else want to give a go at it? You guys talk to me. Which one y'all think? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. It's 10 people in here. Somebody respond to me. What's going on? What's good? Hey, if you new, even if you know your boy, make sure you like the video. If you're brand new, make sure you click that notification bell and subscribe to the channel, man. We got some good content over here. I'm going to start doing daily vlogs again, man. I think I'm going to vlog me going to my daughter's cheerleading competition this weekend. It's been a while since y'all had a vlogging video. I just been solely sold on making live stream videos because that's where I'm at now. I think I've kind of shifted, man. You know, I'm able to do live streams while I'm here at work. So yeah, I think you guys gonna get a weekend vlog, man, from your boy. How y'all day been? How y'all been, man? Y'all talk to me. How y'all been? How y'all been doing? Y'all been all right? You been good? I got sleepy a little bit. Man, we just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Doing what we do. I know I didn't eat all these caramel, man. I about to say, I got some chocolate in my bag, man. Y'all see all this chocolate? What's up? What's up? What's up? Y'all talk to me, man. Ain't nobody chatting. What's up? What's good? I do normally stream from my laptop, guys, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to where I can get extra mobile data, or I'm gonna have to cut the stream after I do about an hour of streaming. I have to cut it off so I can preserve my Wi-Fi hotspot. Because the reason I'm not streaming on my laptop right now is because I ran out of Wi-Fi hotspot. So I did buy a little bit more Wi-Fi hotspot because tomorrow, guys, check this out. Tomorrow, we are going to be on My Fundy Futures TV tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time. Yeah, man, we got a we got a collab, man, with My Fundy Futures. They want your boy back on there. I emailed one of the producers. Yes, ma'am. Can I get a five? I mean, not no five. Ham sub.
Ham?
Yes, ma'am. 6 inch ham sub.
What kind bread?
Wheat.
What kind cheese?
Pepper jack.
Toasted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Veggies?
Lettuce, tomato, and mild mayo. Just a little bit of
Light.
mayo. Light mayo. Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
The combo.
With chips?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind?
You can give me those Cheetos up there.
What kind drink?
See, Mountain Dew with no ice.
$10.88.
Bull Breaker, what's up, man? What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. I'm sorry, I'm streaming, man. I'm streaming myself. I don't have it turned. All right.
Give me 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. What's up, Bull Breaker? So, I've been discussing with everybody. So, I blew one of my accounts today. Everybody know that I had a Trade Day funded 50K account, and I had a My Funded Futures 50K eval. I had one funded, one eval. For anybody that's watching and didn't know. So on MNQ, you know, news tanked heavily today. So far, iTrades put a bid in. He made a vote. So guess which one that I blew? So on MEQ, I had all my support, all of my support and resistance levels, all my supply and demand levels where I'm looking for a quick bounce. So the market just kept tanking today. When the market is tanking like this, I'm looking for these quick bounces. Bounce. Get my trade in, get out. Bounce. Get my trade in, out. Bounce. Get my trade in, out. Bounce. Get my trade in, out. It just kept doing that. I'm looking for these bounces. I didn't have a sell bias today. So I'm looking for those bounces. I had a buy bias mindset today. So I said, okay, the market is tanking. I don't know how far this thing gonna keep going. And so I didn't just want to randomly put in a sale and then just follow it down because I'm like, man, I don't know when it's going to bounce. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to play the bounce card. So I stayed within my trading plan. I had a bunch of lines out, man. I erased them all now. But I had a bunch of lines, support and resistance, and also supply and demand. And one account survived and one didn't. I blew one. You guys want to take a vote on which one did I blow? Joseph, I'm sorry. What's up, Joseph? Joseph said hi. What's good, man? What's popping? What's cracking lacking, man? Man, we just chilling. I can't wait to start streaming on my laptop again, man. We're only streaming through the phone because I ran out of Wi-Fi hotspot. I got to get more money, or I don't know how I'm gonna do this because they only give me 10 gig of memory for more Wi-Fi hotspot, man. That's not enough. I gotta figure something out, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. They gave me ice. I said no ice, man. It's all good. We'll take it. Ooh, that was dangerous. Robert Hurst. Same here. Lost money in the beginning, got it back, and then some. Getting ready to call it a day. Took one more loss again. Got back in it now. Up $100 of profit. I'm done. Stressed enough today. Robert, I feel you. So anybody who watch me know that I trade off support and resistance and supply and demand zones. Preferably, I was looking for demand zones today because the market just kept tanking it. I didn't know how far it would keep tanking, man. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try the bounce game. I'm going to play these bounces and see how this work out. I had a bunch of lines of support and resistance and supply and demand zones. So I'm only looking for bounces. So I kept taking the bounce, and one account survived and the other one didn't. So I had a trade day 50K funded account, and I had a my funded futures 50K eval. One was funded and one was eval. Guess which one I blew? Y'all hold up, I'm at the gate.
How you doing?
It's all good, man. I'm back again, man.
There, y'all. There it is.
Appreciate it, man.
Have a good one, huh?
Yes, sir, man. All right, y'all, I'm back. We back. All right, we got another one. All right, so our trades, Bull Breaker said, I hope it was the eval. So we got two evals. And Jay, what's up, Jay? Top of the day, brother. I made $350 today trying to pass this eval. Let's go, Jay. Aunt Cash in the building. What's going on? I don't know how to pronounce that. Chantel said funded. Okay, you guys ready? Drum roll, please. We got enough. I'm gonna wait for one more. I'm gonna wait for two more. Come on, y'all. Somebody put your bids in. So the market just tanked today. I had levels set on MNQ to where I was looking for bounces. I took plenty of trades today. I wanted to push these accounts over because for the longest, my trade day account, I've been having this trade day account for almost a month. I think 3 weeks to a month, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while, man. I've been holding on to these funded accounts for a while, and I've been trading conservatively. And I'm starting to get tired of the break-even phase, man. It's like I got to start taking more risks. I got to start upping the game a little bit. Because the last funded accounts I had a Funding Ticks and a Traderfy funded account. And I've had those accounts for over a month and a half. And I've been trading those accounts. And I will be up, then come back, break even. Be up, break even. Be up, break even. I was at break even in a month and a half. It's like, man, I'm sick of this break even. I'm sick of the seesaw. It's like, can I get over the hump, please, man? So I just been like this, and doing all that, man. I was at break even, man. I'm like, man. So I tried to push it today, man. But I stayed within my trading plan. I just upped my scaling plan a little bit. It might have cost me, but I said, you know what? I can't fault myself, man. I stayed within my rules. It's just, man, dude, I'm at break-even stage, man. I tried, and I've been a good stewardess of my accounts. I've held on to these accounts for a month. It's like, what do I do, man? Been having a funded account for almost a month, and I'm still at break even. It's time to push it, man. It's time to push it over the edge a little bit. And one account survived and one didn't. And I'm getting ready to explain to you guys how it went today. 97703. Aunt Cash said eval, so we got another eval. 3 evals, 1 funded. 3 evals and 1 funded. I need one more vote. Somebody me one more vote, then I'll tell you. Push it to the limit. Man, I got to, man. I be having these funded accounts for almost a month, man, and they don't move nowhere. So I gotta push the envelope, man. It's just static, not moving, not doing nothing. I be trying to play it the conservative way, but not moving nowhere. So I had to push it, man. I be trying. All right, Robert Hurst said eval. So we got, I think, how many evals we got? One eval, one funded. Then we got 3 evals and 1 funded. Eval. Yep, 3 evals and 1 funded. So guys, drum roll please. Bang, ta-da. We blew the funded account, man. We blew the trade day funded account, man. I said, daggone it, bro. We blew the funded account, man. T-Beezy. God dang! Yeah, we blew the funded account, man. I'm getting ready to show you guys how I did it. Well, I can just tell you. So, the My Funded Futures, though, account, it's crazy how it worked today. You in good spirit, it seems. Only reason I'm in good spirits, Bull Breaker, is because I followed my trading plan. I went up on my scaling plan because I've been having this funded account for 3 weeks to a month. And I'm at break even. So it's like it's not moving anywhere. It's like I'm up and down, up and down, up and down. I was trying to get a big profit day. Then I could scale down and then scale it up a little bit more. But it's like I've been playing it conservative. I've been playing with small numbers. And then I get up big and then I'll go on this huge losing streak. I might take 5 trades and be green for 5 days, and then I go on this huge losing streak for 7 days. And so I'm like, man, I've had this account for almost 3 weeks. I've had this account for almost 3 weeks to a month. I can't be mad at that, man. I just told myself today, it's time to push. It's time to push, man. The market was going crazy today. It just tanked. So I had levels set at support and resistance and demand zones, not supply zones, demand zones. So what I'm doing is, as the market is coming down, I'm trying to catch quick buys. Bounce, buy, get out, made my money. Down, bounce, buy, get out, made my money. Going down again, going down again, going down again. I find a bounce, buy. Grab a little bit profit, break even. All right, I mean, yeah, not at break even, but I put it at a level where I can make money, made money, it'll drop again. So the market just been doing this. And every time it go up, I've been trying to catch those profits going up. Because the market just keep tanking. I didn't have a sell mind today. I had a biased mindset. So I said, you know what? The market is tanking. Let me catch some buys on some certain levels and see how this work out. Check this out, y'all. So we blew the trade day funded account. Watch this. So I had so many levels set, y'all. Listen to this. I had like 15 levels set, y'all. 10 to 15. It was in between 12. It was in between 10, 12, and 15 levels. I took some trades today, man. I said, you know what? It's time to push this funded account over, man. Almost 3 weeks to a month, and I'm at break even, though. The account was sitting at $50,096. After 3 weeks to a month, it's time to push, man. I had it long enough. It's time to push it over the edge. You know what I'm saying? It's time to go, man. So I would take the first trade. I would take a trade like this. My funded futures trade on that bounce, won. Then I took another trade. Trade day, bounce, loss. Another trade on another level. Took a my funded futures trade, won. It was back and forth, y'all, back and forth. My funded futures won first. Loss in trade day. My funded futures won again. Trade day loss. My funded futures won again. Trade day loss. It was like my funded futures win. trade day loss. My funded futures win, trade day loss. My funded futures win, trade day loss. It was like every time I took a trade with the trade day, it was losing, but the my funded futures was winning. I said, man, maybe I should have switched it around. I don't care about this evalve. I wanted the daggone funded account to survive, man. I said, man, dang, man. Hey, I don't know what to say, man. That's the best way I can explain it, man. The only way I can do is this. Just this. My funded futures win, trade day loss. My funded futures win, trade day loss. It's like all those levels, I just kept taking trades like this, y'all. As the market is coming down, I just kept doing that. And every single trade day trade loss. Every single my funded futures trade won. I said, how ironic is this, man? I said, dang, dog. Maybe I should have switched it around, man. Jeez, man. Good grief. So, I did my best, man. I held on to the account for a long time, man. And RIP to the funded account, man. So, we're going to see how tomorrow's going to go, man. But guess where the My Funded Futures account is at, though? I took a chance today. I'm getting ready to show you my funded futures my funded futures eval. I'm gonna show you guys right quick. Show y'all where it's at. I gotta log out. See, that's another nice bounce. So you guys ready to see? Look at where my funded futures is at, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all look at that. This is what I wanted to happen in the trade day funded account. I told y'all I was trying to push this thing over. The my funded futures wasn't exempt. I don't care if you're an evalve or not. I don't care if you're a funded account or not. Today was the day I had the opportunity to make profits, and the profit went into the wrong account. So I wanted all these profits to be in my trade day funded account. Chantel said that's what happened to me too today. I got a nice profit on eval, but funded is down. Yeah. It was crazy, man. Like I said, man, I won my funded futures trade first, lost trade day. Won another my funded futures trade, lost trade day. Won another my funded futures trade, lost trade day. It was like every trade I took in my funded futures won. I think I was like, shoot, 6 or 7 for 0. I won every trade. I was like 6-0 or 7-0 in my funded futures trades today. I was like 0 for 6 or 0 for 7 in trade day. I don't know how to explain it, man, but my funded futures, every trade won today. And I've made the max that I could today. The most you can make in a 50K eval is 50%. It's 1,500 for a 50K account. I've made the most that I can make. Other than $6, I ain't caring about no $6, but I do have that account at $52,000. I need $1,000 more dollars. You bet your daggone Skippy I'm gonna try to grab it tomorrow. If I see a setup, I'm taking it, and we risking $500 for the trade, and I'm aiming for an automatic 1 to 2. We gonna push it. I'm just getting tired of the seesaw, man. It's one thing. Shout out to Josh, the strategist. I don't know where Josh has been, but Josh said one thing that made a lot of sense to me. He said, Corey, it's all good, man. In order to make it in this trading world, you're going to have to push some limits that, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to push. And if you really want to make money in this trading world, you're going to have to push yourself. You're going to have to push some things you don't want to push, and you're going to have to go crazy a little bit sometimes. This is how these people make these big profits. And he was exactly right, man. He was exactly right. Some of the people that I watch, man, they be making big profits, man, but they be losing a bunch of accounts. but they push it to the limit sometimes, man. And that's how they get these big payouts and big paydays, man. So I just took the chance today, man. It sucks that I really wanted to hold on to my trade day funded account. So what I do plan on doing is just saving my money. I'm not buying any more evals right now. I'm going to wait till Black Friday. Helpful, what's up, man? Shout out to Helpful. Shout out to you, dog. That strategy, oh man, you got me excited to talk to you. I was looking for you yesterday. I think I was looking for you yesterday or the other day. Shout out to CP Trader in the building. CP Trader. I brought the laptop, but guess what? We ain't got no Wi-Fi hotspot data. That's why I'm not on the laptop. I gotta figure out a way how I'ma continue to do this, man. My Wi-Fi hotspot data went out. I used all of it, and so I bought 15 extra. I paid $15 yesterday for more mobile hotspot, but it's only 10 gig. So I had to buy that in order for me to stream with My Funded Futures tomorrow. Shout out to My Funded Futures, y'all. Helpful. I'm gonna answer the question, but shout out to My Funded Futures, y'all. You guys book it in your calendars. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Time, we are going to be on My Funded Futures TV, man. Yes, sir. I'm excited. I'm happy. We're finna turn up. And it's Friday. And if I see a setup, I'm going to try to pass this. I'm going to try to pass this motherfucker to these trades. If I see a setup tomorrow, I'm going to risk $500 and aim for a 1 to 2. If it hit a 1 to 2, I'm passing the account tomorrow. But Helpful, shout out to you, man. So last night, I'm 2-0 last night. I took 2 trades in my eval last night on the 30-minute time frame on MNQ. Them bad boys hit perfectly, man. I said, ooh, Helpful on to something. I'm sticking with the 30-minute time frame and maybe the 1 hour. The 5-minute, the 15 and the 5, it be like iffy. But them 30-minute time frame with that indicator you showed me, whoo, them things hit nice. Shout out to you, Helpful, for even showing me that. That gave me so much confidence to trade at nighttime now. But it's got to be on the 30-minute time frame, though, buddy. Shout out to you, Helpful. Shout out to you, dog. That boy, it was so good. And guess what, Helpful? The lower time frames are weak. 30-minute and higher give better pivots. Check this out. I took a trade while I was asleep. That's something I ain't did in a while. I said, you know what? If the market on MNQ last night, I don't even know what time it hit, but I set a trade last night. I saw that the market was coming down. I said, man, I don't know whether the market is going to come down to this or not, but I'm going to set a limit order for the night. I just did a $500 trade last night. That's all I did, man, was a simple $500 trade last night. I said, ooh, wee! That thing hit beautifully, man. I just wanted a 1 to 1. But guess how much I could have got of it? Had I had a funded account, I did, but I didn't want to trade my funded account because I'm still back testing it a little bit. But man, that thing hit for a 1 to 5. And the one before that did the same thing. They hit a 1 to 4. I said, Helpful is on to something. Oh my gosh. I'm in good spirits today, man. I blew my trade day funded account though, man. I've had, like I said before, y'all, I've been having my funded accounts for almost about a month and a half. That's been the most. And this trade day funded account that I had was coming up to a month, or it was at a month, and I was only at $50,096. I'm still at break even, man. I gotta try to push the limits, man. Shout out to Josh, the strategist, said, man, you're gonna have to push some limits if you really want to make it into this market, man. And he was right. I pushed the limits. One account survived. Check this out, Helpful and CP Trader. Check this out. So I had so many support and resistance and demand zone setups today. I had so many lines. I had in between 12 to 15 lines. And the market just tanked today. I said, man, I'm not finna get in the sale because I don't know when it's going to bounce. So how about I take the bounces off these demand and support and resistance zones? So you guys know the market just tanked today. I was just looking for these bounces. And right when it bounced, I'm in for a buy, get my money, get out. Then it tanked again. The market was just moving like this, creating lower lows. On those lower lows, on those bounces is where I made profit. But check this out. I went my funded futures trade, won. Trade day trade, lost. My funded futures trade, won. Trade day, lost. My funded futures trade, won. Trade day, lost. It just kept being a ripple effect. I kept winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing. All of my trade day funded account trades, all of them lost. Tell me why all of my funded futures trade, all of them won. So I'm really break even if you look at it, but all of my funded futures trades, I'm 6-0 and 7-0 with my funded futures trades today and last night. Today, with the funded account, I'm 0 for 6, 0 for 7. But it was like, I win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. I said, daggone it, I wanted this to happen in my funded account, not my daggone eval. I said, you know what? I'm going to just take it with a grain of salt. It's all good. Reason why I'm not really upset and I'm not hot and mad is because I followed my trading plan and I upped my scaling plan after having the account for almost about a month and it's still at break even. I said, I got to push it. Today's the day to do it. And when I started seeing the market tank, I said, this is the perfect opportunity. Either the eval going to survive. I told myself at the beginning of the day, I said, today the eval is going to survive or the funded account going to survive. I said, which one is it? And just so happened the funded account died and the eval survived. I would rather want that in the funded account. But I'm still excited, man. We still good, man. Let me show y'all my funded futures eval account again. Where we at? Oh my gosh. This internet is come on, man. Jeez, get it together. I gotta re-put all this information in and stuff. All right, y'all, here go the account. Helpful said, ooh, I passed 5 take profit traders with an overnight trade. Dang, just gotta flip 2 more trading days and they get turned into pros. Let's go, Helpful. See, that's what I wanted to happen. I'm shoot, man. I gotta wait until Black Friday. I really don't want to buy no more accounts. If I had more money, I would, but I'm tapped out, bro. I ain't got no more money to be wasting on evals right now. I said I'm gonna just try to save my money and I'm gonna just wait until Black Friday. It would be so nice, man, if I could get a payout with this my funded future once we get it passed and I get a payout before Black Friday, so I can use the payout money to buy 20 Apex accounts. That's what I want to do so bad, y'all, because I know Apex is either gonna do 90% sale on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I know it's coming, and the goal that I've always wanted to accomplish is trade 20 Apex accounts. I don't see, just my personal preference, I don't see myself just trading 1 or 2 accounts anymore with them. Why not just save my money? That way I could get max accounts and get the most leverage. Man, don't you know if I get 20 Apex accounts and get them to a $2,000 payout, that's $40K. I make that in a year. Like, man, I can make $40K in months. I'll be willing to take my time with that. Man, like I have the opportunity to do that, but I gotta wait now. So it is what it is. Let me show y'all my this is what I meant by one of the accounts surviving and one not. I pushed this eval to the limit. Y'all see it. Now you get the type of trading I was doing. I really wish that these profits would have been in my trade day funded account. not the eval, man. So you see that I was following my rules. Hey, I was following my plan. I just upped the size a little bit. One account survived, one didn't. That was the plan. It went to the eval instead. But hey, we made profit in this thing. We're not gonna complain. It's all good, man. Just man, I really wanted to keep that freaking trade day funded account. We're just gonna wait until Black Friday and we'll get another one, man. We're gonna get another trade day funded account at Black Friday. I'm sure they're gonna have a sale going on. So we'll see, man. How much is the activation fee for Apex accounts? Right now, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I hope that it will be $85. I'm not for sure. I can't even tell you. But the reason why is the last time I heard the activation fee went from the $130 back to the $85 activation fee. That's the deal right there. It's like, man, that's it. Not the 130. I used to like Apex until they wanted me to give them send them paragraphs of my trading and stuff. I'm like, come on, man, y'all need all that. But I'm like, it's all good. The next time I do it, if y'all ask, I'll just give it to y'all. I'm not gonna make a rebuttal about it. It's just like journaling. Y'all just, you know what I'm saying, want to make sure ain't nobody ringing up the system or whatever. But I'm like, can't y'all see that on the back end? Like, I don't understand that, but nevertheless. But yeah, that's my goal for the rest of the year and next year is to get a big payout where I could get 20 Apex accounts only when they have the 90% sale going on. Only. I'm not doing no Apex 70% sale, 80% sale when they are $16 and some change. That's when I'm going to do it. Dear Apex, today I traded full port with no stops. Please forgive me. Dang. Nah, I don't have no Apex account, man. I won't trade with Apex no more unless I can get the full 20. If I can't get the full 20, I don't want it. Yeah, you're right. You're what is 70% of a 50 they're 50K accounts? I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah, it's T Money. Right now, Apex activation is $40 for lifetime accounts. For 80% or 70%. Cause it's like when they go down on the lifetime fee, the evals cost a lot more. So it's still even. It's like when they go up on the shoot, man, when they go up on how much you can get off, like the 90% sale, see, it's still like this. You really not getting ahead. So they had it at 80. They had it at 80%, if I'm not mistaken. They had you had to write them letters. Yeah, man, I had to write them a paragraph on like my trading plan and stuff. They asked me, can I please send them a paragraph of and show them my trades and stuff? Like, why y'all the only people asking for this? Why do y'all need me to write a paragraph on why I took my trades and what's my trade? How do I trade? Why do y'all need that? Can't y'all go on the back end and look at that? Y'all be giving y'all self away. That's what it is. Y'all not properly structured. Cause any other prop firms don't ask for that. Why do y'all? So that let me know that y'all got some stuff on the back end you ain't doing right. Y'all the only prop firm to ask that question. But I'll still trade with them, but only at 20 accounts. Yeah, it's T Money. You get 70% off. Like they did 80%. I think the accounts cost like 30 to 40 bucks or something like that. And the lifetime activation fee, I think, was 85. If it's 70 now, that means that you only get 70% off. That means that the accounts cost more and they went down on the activation fee. So guess what? You thinking you getting somewhere, but you're still right here. You're not getting over. You thinking, oh man, it's a lifetime activation fee for $40. Oh, that's up. But then the accounts are like 70% off. You're gonna have to pay more for the accounts. So you think you get ahead, but it's still like this. She ain't moving nowhere. It's still gonna be about $100 for an account. You really not getting nowhere. So I mean, it's still break even, really. That's when I stopped buying Apex accounts. Yeah, when they started telling me to like send them a paragraph and all, I'm like, man, come on, man. Why are y'all making me do this? But I'm not giving up on Apex, man. I just rather trade with them because they have access to 20 accounts. That's what I'm after. But I ain't never had the money. After all the accounts I blew, yeah, I should have. You think about it, I should have saved my money just to do it that way. Shoot. But I'm trying to squeeze $50 out of a quarter. Nevertheless. But yeah, man, all my funded futures account is at $2,000. I only need $1,000 more dollars. I just need 21367. 21367. I just need a good trade and aim for a 1 to 2, and I'll pass it. That's all I need, man. I don't want to be stupid and not just take any willy-nilly trade. But if I see a setup, I'm going for it. We automatically aiming for a 1 to 2. How was y'all trading today, man? How was y'all trading today? Y'all talk to me. This is why I don't want no ice. I feel like it's less pop and more ice. When the last time y'all heard somebody say, hey man, can I get a soda pop? It's some country people, man. The state that I live in, man, we so country. We still say stuff like soda pop. Hey man, hey, can you get me a soda pop? Soda pop. Pop, pop, pop. Soda pop. You said 1993, man. Hey, we still use a lot of old terms down here, man. That's funny. When the last time you heard somebody say, hey man, that's Joe, man. Man, you so Joe. And this new generation, they don't know about words like that. They say all this new stuff, man. Man, you Joe. Yeah, I'm rocking with the old stuff. Man, y'all put it in y'all calendar tomorrow, man. We gonna be streaming in my truck on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow, man. I'm excited about that, man. It's been a minute. It's been a while. I'm excited. I'm in a good mood still. I'm in a good mood because I followed all my plans. I didn't nothing like that, man. I followed all my rules. It's just one account survived, one didn't. I would greatly appreciate it. Anybody coming in, make sure you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new and click the notification bell. I would greatly appreciate that, y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. Hook your boy up with a like. We've been doing good here lately, man. We've been getting about 20 likes a video. That's what I would like to do. The more consistent YouTube see me at getting likes and people commenting and views and stuff, man, it pushes me out there into the YouTube world to, you know what I'm saying, to get more views, man. Y'all talk to me, man. I done talked enough. How was y'all trading today? How y'all been, man? Y'all good? Y'all straight? Bull Breaker, you upgraded your hotspot? Oh, did I? Let me see if I can go to my account. I'm gonna show you something. So I gotta figure out something, man. So I am able to stream tomorrow. I am able to stream tomorrow on my Funded Futures. It's not on this phone. Dang. It's on my other phone. It's on this phone that I'm using. Bull Breaker said no trades today. That's what's up, man. Hey, it's all good, brother. If you don't see it, it don't fit you, don't take it. But I told myself today, it's time, man. It's time to push this funded account over, man. And it just so happened that it was the account that didn't survive. But Bull Breaker, so come to find out, on my AT&T plan, I have 60 gigs of mobile hotspot. I use all of that hotspot for me streaming. That Corvette is nice. This is what I want. I'm claiming it right now in the name of Jesus. Look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful Corvette. Yes, sir. That's my dream two-door car right there. Ooh, I want it in blue, though. That's a beautiful Corvette, man. I can't wait. That Corvette, nice. I want a all blue, my dream car. And then if I get bigger, I'll go crazier. But if I could have my dream two-door car, it'll be a blue Corvette, a drop top. I don't know. It looked like a C8. That's what I was going to say. I want a blue C8 Corvette, man. I don't know, TBZ. It looked like it. It's some older gentleman that was driving it, but that thing look clean, man. I'm starting to see him a lot more. But I dream one day of having a two-door C8 Corvette, man. Bless this food I'm about to receive for nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Get out of here. I heard a fly. It seems like every time I park over here, all the insects is gravitating to me. It's like, see, I see a spider right now. See this? Ooh, man. Why do y'all feel like the need to come over here? Leave me alone. Golly, dog. Y'all get away from over here. Did I get it? I don't even think I got it, man. You sucker. It's another bug. Get off here. All the bugs want to be over here. Why do y'all love my truck? Dang, go away. Jeez. TBZ said, I want that Cybertruck or a Model S Plaid. If I get a Cybertruck, I won't get a Cybertruck unless I can throw some 30-inch rims on there. Because I do not like them wheels that's on that Cybertruck. I'm going to get that. If I get a Cybertruck, I will not get one unless I can wrap it and throw some 30-inch wheels on there. I'm going stupid. TBZ said, for a muscle car, I like that Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. Ooh, only reason I know about that car is because of CJ on 32s. I watch a lot of his car content. Let me rephrase that, because sometimes he be doing them parties and stuff. I don't watch all that, man. I like his car content. His car content is nice. His vehicles is dope. Chantel, yeah, man, all the freaking bugs want to come over here. It's like every time I'm getting ready to eat or when I'm just sitting and chilling, it's like, hey, no, it literally do this, y'all. I just be sitting down, chilling. Soon as I pull some food out, soon as I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying, got the windows down, here come the insects. How you doing, buddy? We here. Yeah, man. Hey, we just chilling, man. It's like, get away. Cause you the only one eating. So if I'm eating, y'all go out here and find you some food. This is my food. This is my sub sandwich and my chips and my tall drink with ice in it that I didn't ask. Mountain Dew. And my snacks. This is my food. Go find y'all own. Y'all got little insects and other bugs and leaves and trees and whatever y'all got out here. Let me eat in peace. It's like they all puff up. Corey here. Oh, he got some food. Come on, y'all. It's a family reunion. Like, go away, man. This man said they know who you are. Man, y'all gone. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hungry. I haven't ate today. Sorry if I'm eating in y'all face, man. I'm sorry. Let's look at the chart. See what the market's stagnant right now. The market is super stagnant. It ain't really moving nowhere. Well, the only good news I have today is we made $1,500 profit in our My Funded Futures. I've made the most that I could. The My Funded Futures account is sitting at $52,000. We are on My Funded. Put this in your calendars tomorrow morning. Make sure you're setting alarms. We are on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time. That'll be 10 a.m. Eastern to a lot of people. CP Trader said my prop accounts aren't looking good, but was able to get some real money trading options. Man, that's nice, CP. I want to learn how to trade options. I want to learn how to do that because I don't know. I have no clue. T Beezy said, do you use one mini for that? For my T Beezy, if you asked T Beezy, oh, One Stop Trader in the building. What's up, man? Hope all is well. Well, I'm in good spirits today. One Stop Trader. Let me answer T Beezy question. T Beezy asked, did I use one mini? I used 10 micros equal to one mini. Each time that I took a trade, I was risking $500, but I was pulling my money out so fast because I didn't know how the market just tanked today. So I was just looking for those bounces, you know what I'm saying, on its way down. I was taking them quick. I was scalping so quick today. I said, this ain't normally what I do, but man, this is looking good. And one account survived and one didn't. The My Funded Futures eval survived. I blew my trade day funded account. All because all the trades that I took, My Funded Futures won, trade day lost. My Funded Futures won, trade day lost. My Funded Futures won, trade day lost. I lost every single trade in trade day, but ended up winning in all of My Funded Futures trades. I just wish it was in the funded account rather than eval. But TBZ, nah, man. I pretty much trade with one mini. But I don't trade NQ. I stay on MNQ because I like to fluctuate. I might see a setup that I like, but I'm not confident about it. Instead of me going all the way to MNQ, I just rather, instead of me being on MNQ, going on the MNQ, setting my levels and all that stuff, no, I'd rather just stay on MNQ and do all my trading that way. I have quick access to scale down. You know what I'm saying? I can't scale down with NQ. I can't scale down to a $250 trade. Automatically, I got the trade with one mini. 25 points with one mini is $500. What if I see a trade? I'm like, I'm not sure about that. Let me scale down to 250. I can't do that with NQ. So I haven't traded with minis in a while. And I said I never would go back because it psychologically messes me up when I trade with minis. I said I'd rather just stay with micros and use a bunch of micros instead, man. Yeah, I was using 10 micros. But on the funded account, I use both. I use 5 micros and 10 micros. I was risking either $250 or $500. And all of that equaled up to me losing the account today. This is the only good news today. Is this. You see, I pushed this joker over the limit. We made almost exactly the max. We only need $1,000 more to pass this thing. We'll see. I'm on my funded futures tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time, 10 a.m. Eastern. So if I don't see no trades tomorrow, I ain't gonna force it. But I don't want to keep coming to their stream and not taking any trades. You know, we're gonna try to. If I see a setup, I'm gonna take it. Helpful said I still in with 5 micros and had a lot of success with that. That's what I'm normally risking on my funded accounts is 5 micros. But it depends on how many points I use. I know automatically with 5 micros with a 12.50 stop loss, that'll give me with a 12.50 stop loss, 5 micros, that's a $125 trade. If I do a 25 point stop loss with 10 micros, it's $250. If I do a 50 point stop loss, these are the stop losses that I use. I normally use a 12.50 stop loss, a 25 point stop loss, and then a 50 point stop loss. With a 50 point stop loss for 5 micros, that's $500. I got it mapped down. And in order for me to take the trade, I look at my levels. I look at where my stop loss need to be and stuff. I'll either use a 12.50 stop loss, a 25 point stop loss, or a 50 point stop loss. I'll use only them 3. I don't do no 40 point, 32 point. Nope. I got my set numbers and what I'm willing to risk. $125, $250, or $500. And I keep it that way. I keep it the same. I do not change. Even when I was trading gold, I keep it like that. The most that I'm risking on the trade is 500. I don't go past 500. T. Beezy said, man, the more micros I use, they always put some contracts in different spots. I hate that I never get all 10 micros. Really? Well, I don't know. That ain't never happened to me. If I'm setting a limit order or I'm taking a trade, it normally takes the trade of all the contracts I'm trying to risk. I ain't never heard of that, T. Beezy. Helpful said I do 20 and 40. That sound about right. What I do 25 and 50. I feel more confident, more comfortable at a 25 point stop loss and a 50 point stop loss. So we neck and neck almost. That's pretty cool. T. Beezy said, yeah, I trade in specific price levels. Some contracts we get filled in different. Wow. I don't know, man. The way I trade, man, all my contracts better be in there. I'm taking them all at the same time. I really hate that I can't use my laptop. Y'all just sitting here looking at me eating, man. I hate that. Y'all could be seeing my computer with the charts and all that, watching the market move instead of just looking at me eat. I gotta figure out a way to reserve my Wi-Fi hotspot, man, because I ain't got no more. I only got enough. I could have today. I could have live stream from my laptop, but I wanted to make sure I had enough to stream with my funded futures tomorrow. Turning all that off. There go another freaking bug. Get away, man. What is y'all problem? Dang, man. These cats just love coming to this daggone truck. Get away. Get away, get away, get away now. Get away, get away, get away now. They need to leave me alone. Go on now. TBZ said no, they all get filled, but not in the same price. Watching you, it seems you get in at the level you don't care about the price. Yeah, like I do something like this. I'll go to my watch this. I'm gonna log into my paper trading account. I ain't taking no more trades today. Ooh, I see a good level. It might buy. Hold up. We're gonna take a trade for the stream, y'all. I'm gonna do a trade just for the stream. I'm not trading in no funded account. I mean, I'm not trading that eval though. Well, I can't. I've made the max I could today, so I can't make no more money. I cannot make any more money in my eval today. I've made the max. If I take a trade, I'll just be trying to get $6. I'm not gonna do that. That's stupid. I'm getting ready to show you, TBZ. Dang, I missed the move. This man said they on lunch too. No, these stupid bugs need to leave me alone. Let's see. I'm gonna do. This is the practice account, y'all. I'm gonna do 5 micros. See? All 5 of mine got in. Even if I set a limit order, it's always like that. It's always like that, man. So I don't know. Go to the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't see. If it come down, it might come down to this demand zone, then pop off. Helpful said, "Do you take the market order trades?" Yeah, I don't know what he talking about. All my contracts be getting in. We taking the trade for the stream. This gonna end up losing. Yep. I'm gonna show you a limit order. Yeah, we don't care about that. If it come, let's see if it get me in right here. I'm gonna set a limit order. 5 limit order. So if it come down to that spot, it's gonna put me in. We'll see if it hit. Oh, he may be talking about when scaling in and adding contracts. Yeah. I've did that before, and I have to calculate the points and I have to calculate my points and move my stop loss accordingly to where it'll equal up to the money that I was actually trying to risk. Stop. All right, let's see if this thing get us in. We watching it. If you don't go tap that. Yeah, see? It put all my contracts in. Order filled. I'm just playing around and looking at the market. Helpful, but I will look at the 30-minute. Chantel said, yeah, it get me every time. No, when I place the initial trade, let's say I trade 5 micros, 2 would get filled at one price and the other 3 in a different price. It's not a big deal though. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that though. Yeah, man. Let's go to 30-minute like he said. The 30-minute, I'm not seeing any indicator. The 30-minute MNQ, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, it definitely could be the bro. I don't know. I ain't never heard of that. I'm just randomly taking trades, y'all. That's in the funded account. I mean, that's my practice account, y'all. I'll get back to that in a minute. From Tuesday. What you mean? Tuesday? Hold on. From Tuesday. When was Tuesday? Oh my gosh, come on. Tuesday? Hold up. When was Tuesday? On election day on the 4th. On the 4th? We're gonna go all the way back to the 4th. I'm on the 30-minute helpful. What are you looking at? The 4th is down here. I'm not seeing nothing right there. We are all the way on the 6th down here. Stop doing that. Oh my gosh, man. Come on. Dang. Goodness gracious. That's the 6th. If we go to the 4th is way over here. I don't see nothing. Unless you're talking about that. If you're talking about that right there. Man, this sucks, man. Let me try putting the phone over here then. Jeez, this sun is messing it up. I don't see what you're seeing, man. 5 minutes. You said the 4th at 8 p.m. The 4th at 8 p.m. Oh, shoot. I gotta turn my whole body, man. Ugh. This is the only way to do this, because this sun messing up the camera. The 4th. I'm gonna need this thing to adjust. Come on, man. What are you doing? Jeez. All right, the 4th on this. See, this why I don't like streaming off my phone, man, because this camera it be picking up my finger. Oh, I see. Okay. So you saying right here. Oh, so where's the market at? Oh, but man, it went way past this though, man. If I do it like this, if I do that and then bring it all the way over like this, sorry for my finger getting in the way, y'all. Something like that, yeah. But normally I would set my stop loss below this. Oh, I see what you're saying. You took a bounce. Yeah. I got you. That do make sense, helpful. Yeah, it do. That makes a lot of sense, man. That does make a lot of sense. Let's go all the way back over again. Yeah, you're right, man. That was a good bounce. Well, I would have thought it was a good bounce too. Yeah, you're right. That do look good though. And that thing just tanked below it. And now it's finally popping back up. Let me get rid of that. Oh my gosh. Let me go all the way back to trading view. Sometimes I have to close the app, then go back in, close the app, log back in. Yeah, I see what you're saying though, helpful. I see what you're saying. Yeah, that did look like a good spot though. I understand. I got you. Yeah, I read you loud and clear, man. It is a good look though. I can get out of this trade. I ain't caring about this. It's trying to bounce off that pivot. Yeah, it looked like it broke it, and then it went back above it, and then it retested it, and now it's going up. It looked like a break and retest. That's what it looked like. Then took another long on the reclaim. It did overshoot the pivot, which happened. So I'm in a trade number 2. Already made back my money. That's what's up. You didn't I got you, helpful. One stop trader. I didn't forget, man. Man, I ended up, yeah, I did forget. I'm sorry, one stop trader. So I ended up was getting ready to do it, but yesterday in the stream, see, it's not doing it today, but my face had broke out real bad, and I went home and took that Benadryl, man, and I was out, dog. I'm sorry, man. I ended up forgetting about it. But I'm here. Let's do it now. Did you send it to me? Yeah, you did. I'm finna do it now. And I gotta do join CJ's. I'm doing it now. Get out of the way. No, nobody cares about that. Accept invite. Which one are you? Are you the easy button? Okay, there you are. Okay, you should see it that I just joined you, One Stop Trader. You should see it now. Yeah, you should see me. You should see me in your Discord now. I forgot. My bad, man. Let me see if I can bring up the trades helpful that I took in MNQ last night. Bingo, I got it, helpful. Helpful, look at this. Look at my trades from last night. I'm getting ready to show you my trades, helpful, from last night. Look at this. Look at this right here. So, helpful. Last night at about, oh my gosh, this camera. Last night at about 7 p.m. last night, I took a trade. It actually hit this 30-minute liquidity sweep, and as it was coming up, I then got in, man. I got in twice. One was break even, and then you can see right here on this second trade, that's the trade that ended up hitting. I moved my stop loss too fast. I don't know why it's not showing right here, because that's the trade that I took. That ain't making no sense. Oh, it's the paper. No wonder. Hold up, helpful. Hold up, man. Let me log into my funded futures right quick. You'll see where my arrows and stuff was at. What did I do? Hold on, helpful. I'm gonna show you two trades last night, man. That gave me profit, man. It was so good to see it, man. I was like, what? This work, man. I like this. Bingo. All right, here we go, helpful. So I was wrong. It's not that red candle. I don't know why it's showing all them arrows. I only took two trades. I don't know. Did I take three? I don't know. Either way, I won. But that was a dud. That was a break even. This was a break even. Those are some nice setups. Yeah, this first trade right here, I don't remember taking three trades, but either way, both of these trades, the green candle right here was break even. This long red candle was break even, but this green candle right here, that last green candle, that was a win. So I ended up taking the trade on the 30-minute time frame on MNQ. I was watching that level. It bounced. Now, I normally have my position right at that level and then have it below it. You know what I'm saying? So it hit. But I wanted confirmation because this is my first time going all in. You know what I'm saying? It's my first time going all in trying to trust this. So I waited till I got confirmation as it was going up. I said, dang, had I got my trade perfect. You see that thing hit so perfectly right there, man. That small little wick right there. Look at that small little itty bitty wick right there. It hit that perfectly. It just, look at that small little, that little wick. It hit that thing perfectly. I said, man, had I got in right there, that thing would have hit beautifully. But as you can see, I wanted confirmation. As soon as it hit, I waited till it got up a little bit. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going in. I'm going to take a chance. And that thing hit, man. It hit full TP. It looked like a 1-2. Was that a 1-2? No, I think I got in at a 1-1. It was a 12.50 stop loss. Yeah, I think I did a 1-1. I got in at a 1-1. I don't think I did no 1-2. But that trade was a win, so I can erase that. But the second trade was the trade that I did overnight. Look at that, helpful. This was a beautiful setup, bro. I decided to put it at the bottom of it. It was somewhere over here. There was that line, yeah. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's showing differently now. But it had the long green square going across. That's where I placed my trade at. And look how this was the trade overnight, man. Look at that thing get hit perfectly, man. Ooh wee. That thing tapped my entry so beautifully, man. You see it? It barely wicked, man, and got me in there. And then that thing just took off. I don't even know what this thing could have got. The most it could have got. This thing could have got almost a what? Yeah, a 1-4, 1-5. At that level up here, at this red bar right here, because that was full TP right there. That was full TP at this red, shoot, man. It's hard doing this. At this red level right here, had I let it hit full TP, but I was so nervous because, you know what I'm saying, I really ain't went all in on trading on this, but I did last night. That first one was a dub. Well, I did break even, and then a win. Then I said, you know what, I'm going to leave this trade overnight. This was an overnight trade, man. What time was this it got in? The trade finally hit while I was asleep at 1 a.m., man. About 2 a.m. my time. So this trade finally hit while I was asleep at 2 a.m. That thing hit nice. I said, ooh, we helpful on to something, boy. That was beautiful. Picture perfect, man. Yeah, man, I was excited about that trade. I woke up. I said, did this thing hit? Did it hit my spot? Did it hit my spot? And I woke up. First thing I looked at, I went over here to the tradeday emblem. And I saw that we was up it put the account at like $1,300 something. I said, ooh wee, my first overtrade night in a while, and that thing hit. I said, man, let's go. Shout out to Helpful, baby. Man, that 30-minute time frame Helpful is something different. Helpful said, yeah, the squares go away, which is why I draw them. You are exactly right. So I'd be like, where the square at? Where my square? I'm like, Helpful did say he would draw those lines out and extend them just in case. So I see why you extend those. I forgot how you said to do it. Here, let me try it. How do I extend them squares? Hold up, I'm gonna try it. I think you said to go into the settings. Okay, I found it Helpful. So when I'm doing those squares, I go to settings and extend it to the right. I got it. I know why you do that now. Cause I'm like, man, where's the square at? I need those squares back. I'm like, that square is man. Helpful says when it weaks, hits your limit order and immediately goes back up. That's the best feeling. Oh my gosh. You see how that thing barely went to my entry, man. That thing barely hit it and went, yeah. When I woke up this morning and saw that, I said that was a picture perfect entry that I left overnight, man. That thing just went, it just barely tapped and it was just, I'm like, what? Let's go. I'm like, I like this. I just want to do some more back testing. But I tried fooling with the 15 and the 5 minute. I'm like, these things don't hold, man. These things is like holding water. I can't hold water. Nah, that didn't sound right. That sound like snitching, but nevertheless. But it's like them 5 minutes and 15s don't hold, but that 30 and that 1 hour, the 1 hour is too much of a gap, man. I have to bring my stop loss like all the way down here. I'm like, God dang, that's too much. Let me do that 30 though. Helpful say that's why I'm like there's a leave from 3 days ago. Yeah, a level. Helpful said that's why I'm like there's a level from three days ago. Yep, you right. When I go back to the left, you're exactly right. And when I look at it, what you saw, I would have thought it bounced, but it looked like it gave like a really quick bounce and then just continued down. It went past it, then it came back up again, then it retested it, and then it went up. So it's like it just hit it, then went down, then came all the way back past it, then retest the same level, and then went up. It's like a head and shoulders. It didn't do nothing but a head and shoulders. That's crazy. Now that I think about it, that was nothing but a head and shoulders on that level. Shout out to you, Helpful, man. That gave me so much confidence, man. You don't know what that did to me. This is why I'm in such a great mood. This is why I'm like, okay, I follow my trading plan, my scaling plan. I lost my funded account. Normally, I'll be throwing temper tantrums and like I'll be acting like a little kid, man. I'm passionate about it. I can't help it. You know what I'm saying? I'm very passionate on doing good trading. If I have bad days, it's okay. But I'm just passionate about trading, man. I can't help that. People say you putting too much emotion into your trading. I'm just a very passionate person. I can't help it, man. Helpful said the 4 hour and 1 day levels are too wide. Man, who you telling? I saw a great one on the 4 hour. That mode was like this. I said, dang, how far is it going to go back? I'm like, no, I can't do that. Shout out to you. The 30 is perfect, man. That 30 is nice. Let me ask you this, Helpful. Do you take, all right, so how often do you take the level? If I'm not mistaken, you take, I might be wrong, but I take most of my 30-minute levels at the bottom. When they're at the top, I'm nervous. If I let it go to Man, look at my face breaking out again. Look. My face breaking out again. I put that cream on there. I don't know, man. Something going on with my body, man. I look like freaking Hitch. I put most of my entries at the bottom. When they're at the top on the 30-minute, I'm so scared about them because I'm like, man, if I get into a trade, I have to get in and out real quick because sometimes them don't be respected. But I find out that the most 30-minute liquid swings are at the bottom. That's where I do the best. But when it bounce and then go up and then there's another one up here, I'm like, ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go to the chiropractor, man. My back hurt, man. She gonna have to resize this or whatever. Helpful said I always do it at the bottom. If it hits, they hit. If not, then I'll wait for the next trade. So you don't take a lot of them at the top, right? I'm like, man, I wonder, do this man do he take a lot of those hits at the top? I'd be nervous of doing it at the top, man. But when they at the bottom of the market, oh man, I do them all day, every day. And you right, when they hit hard. Them jokers run up. I noticed that when I was back testing, I'm like, man, I don't know if I want to take this going to the, I don't know if I want to take this one at the top. My face breaking out again, man. I don't know what I'm allergic to, man. Y'all see my face? It's been like this for 3 days. No, okay, Helfer said no. In my experience, most of the time, it will retrace the entire level. It will rarely only hits the top and it takes off. It usually dips all the way down, then reverse. I found out that if it's at the top and I decide to take it, I got to grab my profits and hurry up and get out of there because I don't know how far to go down. I be nervous of taking them, but when I do, I've noticed that I got to grab my little money and get out of there, man. But them bottoms, though, like you seen last night, that thing hit for a 1 to 4. Almost a 1 to 5, easily. But I was so nervous of leaving it overnight. And I didn't want to take that in my funded account, which I should have. It's blown now. But that one overnight, it gave me so much confidence, and I know what I'm looking for now. That thing beautiful, dog. I see why you be making profits. Them bad boys pay big time. Shout out to you, man. What the market doing now? Y'all, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Well, I blew my freaking funded account. How exciting is that? Woohoo! I ain't really got nothing else, man. I think it took me about a year of testing that indicator, finding the perfect settings and the time frame that works best. I'm glad it's working out for you so far. What took you years, man, it took me a couple of days. I am so grateful and thankful that you even gave me that, dog. I believe that, to be honest, helpful, if you really wanted to, you could probably start a course and make so much money off that, man. Man, people be willing to pay for that. But you were so, that's why your name is helpful, I guess. you just gave that to me for free, and I'm so grateful and thankful for that, dude. I feel like that's one of my supply and demand setups. Like, once I got a hold and learn supply and demand, it's like I can confidently take a trade, and if it go my way, it don't. If it do, that's what I want. Like, I took that trade last night in confidence. That one I did, but I just didn't want to take that in my funded account. Now, that first trade, that one at 7 p.m., somewhere around there, that gave me a little bit of confidence. But boy, it gave me enough confidence to leave that trade overnight. I was asleep when that trade happened, and that thing hit nice. That's the thing. That thing hit while I was asleep. I said, I'm finna leave a limit order and see if this thing hit overnight. If I lose, it's okay. It's an eval. That thing hit. So I thank you so much, dog. Anytime I've posted anything on X, I got messages, people asking me where can they buy it. I see why. I see why. And that's your stuff. You the one gave me that. So how dare I give everybody the same information? I'm not giving nobody that unless you want it out there. Because I'm sure my funded futures is going to be like, well, what strategies do you trade, Corey? Normally I say flags and supply and demand. I will give you a shout out tomorrow, Helpful. Because I know they're going to ask. They're going to ask, so what strategies, what trades are you looking for, Corey? My exact words is going to be always what I say. My bread and butter filet mignon with a baked potato and an iced tall glass of Kool-Aid is supply and demand. I also look for flags, and I will throw it out there. I'm going to say shout out to Helpful. Helpful showed me another type of strategy where it's liquidity grabs. I'm not giving nobody the numbers that you got to go into the settings and all that. I'm not doing that because I thank God that you gave me that. I will shout you out. I'm letting you know ahead because I already know they're going to ask. They normally ask that every time. But I'm just giving you a heads up that I'm not going to put that out because that's yours. And if you want to sell it, shoot, man, I bet you can make so much money off that. And you gave it to me for free, man. Shout out to you, dog. When I do overnight trades, I set a trailing stop loss. It moves every 20 points. How do you do that, Helpful? Oh, dog. You gotta teach me that, man. How do you get it to where it automatically moves? I do it off Trading View. How the heck you do that? You can share it with anyone. All good. I use that mix with the Rocket Think. I got to do it on tradeday. I don't trade tradeday because I'm a phone trader. I do all my trades off my phone pretty much until I get these 28 packs accounts. Then I will trade. I got to trade from the laptop then, but I trade from my phone. So tradeday and cell phones don't do well at all together. It used to, but it messed up now. It's like every time I go into my tradeday account, it erases my chart. It do a whole bunch of stupid stuff. I'm like, that is not the way I had it set before I left. But I'm giving you a heads up, Helpful, that if they ask, get the app. I did, and the app sucks. The app is garbage, man. I guess I'll try it again. Do you use the app on your phone? Cause it don't work good. It don't work, man. Look at me looking like alfalfa, man. It don't do well with me. P&B Beats. Mama, there goes that man. What's up, man? What's going on, bro? What's going on, brother? Oh my gosh. Skiwit. Skiwit. What's going on, brother? Helfer said, you can share it with anyone. All good. I use that mix with the rocket scooter method. It's been great so far. I don't know nothing about no rocket scooter. If there's anyone you think can benefit from it, that you know it, do it. Wow. And all I can say is just thank you, Helpful. Because that last night, when I woke up and saw, I don't know how many times I can keep saying this, but when I woke up this morning and saw that, I said, I see why this cat making money. That thing prints. It's just whether it hit or not. And when that thing hit, I back tested Helpful, and that thing at least hit a 1-to-1. Here lately, I've been seeing it hit like a 1-to-4, 1-to-5 easily. I'm like, shoot, I'm trying to get that with supply and demand. This man showed me something else, and it clearly hits a 1-to-3. The last 3 times I done checked it and back tested it, it hit a 1-to-4 each time. I'm like, man, shoot. You don't think? P&B Beats, man, said, man, life is good, broski. I got some bad news, P&B Beats. We blew the trade day funded account, man. I'm not mad and I'm not upset because I follow my scaling plan. Well, I went up on my scaling plan, but I follow my trading plan and everything, man. So as you know, on NQ today, you know that the market just tanked off today. So I had, as the market is going, just tanking down, just going to the sewer. Can you share links on your stream? I don't know, man. Try it and see. I don't know whether they'll do that or not. I don't know, man. You followed your plan, though, so that's all we can do. Man, it did tank for sure. P&B Beats. So as the market is coming down, I got a whole bunch of levels. I had about in between 10 to 15 levels of support and resistance and demand setups. That's a screenshot of my payouts from TPT, just so you know I'm not full of it. It don't show it, man. Zero Day J was talking about that yesterday. He said YouTube sometimes don't let people post links in the chat because it's like a form of spamming. So we can't see nothing, man. I don't see nothing. Crap. Let me go to my stream. Email me that so I can see, man. I'm gonna put my email in the chat. But P&B Beats. I had like level here, level, level. And get this, P&B Beats. So I would take trades on all these levels, right? My funded futures won. Trade day loss. 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 I lost every single trade in the trade day funded account, but won every single trade in the my funded futures. I was like, I really wanted it to go to the trade day account, not in the daggone eval. But P&B Beats, I'm gonna show you where the account is for my funded futures, man. That's where the account is right now. Just to give you an idea, look, we killed this account today, man. I made the max today. I can't make no more. If I wanted to make any more money, it just has to be $6. We killed this out the water, man. So you can only imagine, like, had this been in my trade day account, I would have been up. But it seemed like every single trade in that trade day account, it lost. But look, every trade in the my funded futures won. I haven't lost a trade in this. I haven't lost a trade today in this account. And I took a lot of trades. I took like 6 or 7 trades. 2 last night, 5 today. Well, 5 in the morning. I'm like 6 or 7. I'm 6-0 or 7-0. No losses. Just think if this was in my trade day, man. My bad, y'all. I accidentally pressed the wrong button. But just think had that been my funded account, man. I'm like, man, dang. Helpful said, you just emailed me? I got carried away. My bad. You said you just emailed me? You sure did. Oh my gosh. God dang, Helpful. What are you risking, man? Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness, Helpful. Helpful. If I showed you this, PMBBs, if I showed you this man, Helpful be helpful. Roosevelt, what's going on, sir? Good to see you. Salute to you, sir. Thank you for joining the stream, man. Hey, man, it's 13 people watching, man. I know some people forget. Can y'all like the video for your boy? I would greatly appreciate it. If you're brand new, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. PNB Beats. Yeah! Just like I think T Beezy said, it's yeah! Like, man, what? You know what I would do to do that? Shoot, man. Shout out to you, Helpful. Somebody gonna have to teach me about runners. I don't know nothing about leaving your runners. I don't know nothing about that. It's like once I get in a trade, I take all my money out. I don't leave nothing running. I'm not too, I really don't know how to do that. I really don't know how. You talking about letting your runners run. I either let them all run or they don't run at all. They either all at a stop sign or they either all going green. I don't psychologically know how to do that. It's like I'd rather have all of them on the side of me, or all of them gonna go out there I'm gonna push them all out there. I want them all together. I don't know how to just be like, all right, you stay right here, but I'm gonna keep letting you go ahead because I think you can go far. It's like, no, all of y'all stay over here. Come on, get over here. Scorpion. Liu Kang. Mortal Kombat. I don't know how to do that. I forgot. I just hit that like. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, a lot of people forget to hit the like button. It's all good. How can people send you messages other than on stream? Roosevelt, my email. I'm gonna go to the stream right now and you can email me, Roosevelt, but let me know it's you. Like say, hey, it's me, Roosevelt. Cause I don't be knowing who a lot of people is. People like, hey man, it's me. I'm like, who's me? I don't know who me is. I'm finna put my email in the chat. There you go. That's my email. Send that to my email, Roosevelt. That's my business email. When you send me an email, please make sure it's you. Please let me know it's you. PNBB said if you in on 3 contracts for a buy, then sell 2. That leaves 1 for the buys. Move to B and walk away. I'm gonna have to go to YouTube and ask YouTube how do I sell contracts, because I don't even know how to do that. I don't even know how to do that. So we gonna learn how. I have to practice letting runners leave because it's like I said, I want them all. I want them all over here. If they can't all be over here, then all of y'all gonna be out there. So I'm a study on how to leave runners. Everybody joining the stream late. What's up, Dylan? What's going on, man? Good to see you. I'm finna get off in a little bit. P&B Beats, I didn't know that. I'm gonna take your advice, man. I'm gonna try that. But P&B Beats, I go by like the dollar amount. Like if I'm up, like I like to do math a lot. So if I risk $250 on 5 contracts, right? How much am I willing to sell and take away from that? I want all my money. That's my problem. I guess it's a psychological thing. Like if I risk 5 micros for $250 and I hit $250, then all right, I see what you're saying. So you're saying if I have a 25 point stop loss and I place a trade and the market actually hits $250, you saying that I should sell at least half of that. That way I can leave out of the market with half of $250, which is $125, and then let it keep running if it get more, right? Are you saying that, P&B Beats? Fact check me. If I place a trade and it's a 25 point stop loss and the market gives me $250, you saying that once it hits $250, then I should sell at least 2 of them, come out of the market with at least $150 and let that $100 keep running to try to get more? Yeah, you can do that. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm going to try that, man. Because normally what I would do is I would place a trade, right? I would place a trade at a 25 point stop loss because that's what I'm normally doing on micro NASDAQ. 25 point stop loss. I just placed the trade for $250 for 5 micros, and once the market gives me my $250, I'll put it at break even. I'll just be like, okay, it's a risk-free trade. You know what I'm saying? It's a risk-free trade, and then normally it'll come stop me out and I don't make nothing. So I like the fact of leaving runners, because if it come hit my stop loss, guess what? I've made at least half of $250, but if it give more, if it give me more, then I can still get more. Now you have data on your setup. Yes, sir. Move to be risk-free and leave the last contract for the runner. Oh my gosh. Now, because I didn't understand why people leave runners. I'm like, why don't you just move your stop loss? So this actually solves the problem of me moving my stop loss too fast. Oh man, y'all, woo! I'm getting a lot of game today. Lord, feed me. I'm hungry. Feed me. Man, I see why people leave runners now. Because my problem is, once the market give me $250, I move my stop loss and then the market comes stop me out and then it just keep going. Rather, what I should do, what you saying is, once the market give me $250, take some contracts off, and if it comes stop me out, guess what? I made money. But if it keep running, oh, we finna eat. Works great with end of the day accounts. Man, what? Oh man, it's over. It's over now. Ho 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 ho. Hey, and find out in the building. Hey. Man, boy, I get it now why people leave runners, because I never understood it. Light bulb, he figured it out. Man, shoot. Shoot, Dylan, they just gave me some game, dog. They literally just gave me some game. Cause I'm like, why do people leave runners? I don't understand that. If you're risking $500 and the market gives you $500, just put your stop loss at break even. I mean, I would do that anyway, but then I could leave runners. I still could do that. I think that is wise of me to still do that. So like, this is what I'm going to do. If the market gives me, if I risk $500 and the market gives me $500, then I'm going to move it to break even, but then sell some of those contracts. And then that way, if it hit me at break even, I still came out of the market with money. Y'all don't know how much y'all just did to me. Because now I understand why people leave runners. Oh my gosh. I get it now, man. Shoot, boy. Man, I'm finna eat me a candy bar. I deserve a candy bar for that. We eat this. My pastor calling me. I'm gonna have to call him back in a minute. Oh my gosh, man. Wow is all I can say. It's like, I get it now, man. Because I don't understand runners. But man, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Lord, I just thank you for people who are sowing into my life, man, giving me free information, man, because they don't have to do that, man. I'm just grateful and thankful and blessed and favored, Father God, man, that people watch me and they just giving me game, man. And God, one day I wish that I'm able to bless some of these people that's giving me free game, man. I pray in the name of Jesus, one day I could just bless like crazy, man. This is unbelievable. Well, what you say? PNB Beats. Hold up. PNB Beats said, especially if your data on your plan may have a high of 70 ticks, but you may average like 30, them runners will ooh-wee. Okay. PNB said take contracts off that on that 30 ticks. Leave that one for the other 40 ticks possibly. Helpful said you got in with 10 micros, take profit of 5 micros, which is I normally risk $250 on the trade. Half of that is $125. Or if I take a $500 trade, that's $250 of that. Let the other 5 take that 1 to 4 trade. Oh my gosh. Bove Tove, who is that? What's Bove Tove? PNB Beats that stop to break even after you take those contracts off. Risk-free trade. Yep. So it's like if the market gives me $500, put it at break even and then sell. Hey lady, come on. So if the market gives me $500, put my trade at break even and then sell some of the contracts. Man, now I know what it's like to leave runners, and y'all explained that so good. Micros is fire, man. You don't think? Oh, you said butt move. Okay, I got you. I'm like, what is butt move? Butt tove. That's how you end up with $1,500 on one trade. Oh my gosh, man. Woo! Now that I know that, man, because a lot of trades I be losing because I moved my stop loss. Like that one trade that I took an overnight trade, and that thing, no, I didn't take an overnight trade. It was doing New York session. That thing hit my break even, and then it just took off without me. I'm like, no. But at least I could have made money from it. But man, I get it now. Oh man, I appreciate y'all. I got verified on Spotify. What? Shout out to you, Dylan. Let's go, man. Hey, start putting out that Jesus music, man. I'ma keep telling you where the Jesus music at, dog. I want to hear so much Jesus music from you. Come on, man. Start spitting that stuff out, man. I want to hear like 5 or 6 of them jokers. We'll start smaller. Let me hear at least 2 or 3 of them things, man. Let's go. Turn it up, dog. Let's go. Make that Jesus music, man. Ski-wee. I'm going to start saying that. Ski-wee. Now I just gonna distribute my music with gospel. There you go, Dylan. Hey, get it out there. Man, shout out to y'all, man. Y'all done, boy, I'm glad I decided not to cut the stream off because y'all just taught me something, man. I'm like, what is a freaking runner? Ooh, scary. Hey, y'all, I got to get ready to cut the stream off because we getting ready to go to a dead area and it's going to be buffering. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it, y'all. Man, shout out to Helpful. Shout out to PNB Beast. Boy, y'all have unlocked something. Shout out to y'all, man. Y'all know what time it is. And Dylan, who came in the chat, Roosevelt, he came late. It's all good, man. Love y'all. Man, we blessed and highly favored, man. Y'all know what time it is. Be blessed, bro. Y'all have a good day. Appreciate it. Dylan, peace. I'll see you later. Helpful. Shout out to you, brother, man. Hey, y'all make sure y'all tune in tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Time, 10 a.m. Eastern, tomorrow morning on My Fundy Futures TV. Just type in My Fundy Futures TV or My Fundy Futures, and you'll see their YouTube channel come up. Your boy is going to be there in the morning. We're going to be live trading with them. We're going to be talking with Terry Trades 100 and possibly Sam Tabo, I think that's his name. I'm not for sure. I don't want to butcher his name, but we will be on My Fundy Futures in the morning. You guys tune in, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader guy, coming out. I'm out of here, y'all. See you later, Dylan, man. You stay safe too, brother. Shout out to y'all, man, for sticking around and chilling with your boy. We out of here like hot fish grease. And you know the motto after every video in 3, 2, 1. Ah, holla. Peace out, baby. We out of here, man. I'll see y'all later. We out of here.